the organizer of the event.
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro, where are we going today?
Well, we were going to a boat trip.
Alright, so the bus is finally here, and this is the crowd that we are going with. What's good, everyone? This is Marvelous Malik, and you're welcome to another edition of Vlog Series Episode 6. Now, today's fun is about to blow your mind. We are going on a boat trip, and it's going to be mad. It's going to be fun. I believe y'all trust me when I tell you it's going to be fun. So today I'm here with. Okay. Yeah, she's what did she say?
Hey.
The organizer of the event.
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro, where are we going today?
Well, we were going to a boat trip.
A boat trip.
Yeah.
Where to be precise?
Well, it's in tasucu. We will get and take a boat and then have 3 stops in the ocean, and it's gonna be fun.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is John.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Alright. This is the man in the back, Max. Max, what's good?
Hello everyone, what's up?
Bro. Nice to meet you.
I'm on YouTube, my
Yeah.
teacher in the fucking world.
Anyways, yeah, this is it.